Hey, it's Keith here, KG's Garage. This is going to be a quick video on how to replace these hatch struts. This is on a 2004 Buick Rendevous, but it's same on a lot of vehicles. I bought some new, they're actually called lift supports. Anyway, right? You want to take notice of which way the rod is on your existing one, and then kind of measure it up, make sure it's the right length. Yep, this looks good. So these are the right ones. And to take them off, take a screwdriver, and there's a little clip right here, and you just pry that clip. Now on the ones that you're taking off, you don't care about the clip. You can actually just flip it off, and then there should be one on this up right here too. Okay, and look, the hatch is already falling down. I pushed it up. It's slowly going down, and then it gets to right about here, and then it just slams. So then you just come here and you pry. Probably if you cared about the vehicle, you would put something on the paint here. So you would pry, when you would pry this, it wouldn't scratch your paint, but I don't care about it. So there you go. Now, oh my God, this is a heavy hatch. Now the hatch just wants to come down because one support can't hold it. So now you got to pop that one off. I need two hands to do this. You pop that one off just like you did there, and you put the new one on, and then you do the same deal on the other side. So once I get this new one on here, it should hold it up. So let me do that, and I'll get right back to you. This might have been a two-man job. To have someone hold the hatch would have made it a lot easier. So when you go to put these on, they already have the clips on them. So all you do is you just take them and you just push them onto the ball, and they'll stay on. So I'm going to pull this one off. Let's see what happens. See if I can get knocked out. All right, so this hatch won't stay up with just one strut. So I'm going to show you how to put the new strut on. So it's got the clips on it. Should I put it on the bottom one here, like that, and you just push it on. I know you didn't see it, but you just push it on. And then the top one right here, same deal. These shocks here, these turn. So like I put it on here, and I had to turn it to get it onto here. So anyway, it's done. So that's it. It's done. The only thing I would do is get another person to help you. So when you take these off, the hatch doesn't come down. But now it is good, and oh, it actually rises up and actually gets pushed back up. Cool. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching. Quick little video. I know people have done these before, but I just, I'm recording everything I do. So anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Bye. If you happen to have a Buick Rendevous like this right here, or probably even an Aztec, I'll put the part number for those struts in the description below, and you can go ahead and order some. Alrighty, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next video.